We are
Snow.
expecting some of that here.
Yeah, a lot of snow, a lot of wind.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're expecting another round of snow. And again, winter feels like winter is just getting warmed up. And I use that term loosely. It is really getting busy, we should say. So a snowy evening for your Saturday, your weather impact alert. Several inches of snow possible. And again, we are really focused towards southern Minnesota with that. Around the Twin Cities to the north, lower snowfall totals. To the south, higher snowfall totals, which we'll take a closer look at here momentarily. But yes, everyone should plan on some degree of slippery roads, at least for a little while. Plows will get out there and take care of it as they always do. And before you know it, roads will end up nice and clear yet again. Let's take a look what we are expecting to deal with tomorrow. There is your winter weather advisory, and again, that'll go into effect noon tomorrow. It'll just run through the rest of Saturday right into midnight Sunday morning. That area highlighted in this bluish purple coloring, 3 to 5 inches of snowfall. Yes, and when you hear winter weather advisory, your first thought should be difficult travel, some tough travels across southern Minnesota. I-90 really highlighted here. It's going to have the biggest impact. But again, southwest Minnesota, as well as even south central Minnesota, Highway 14, Highway 60, Highway 23 in the southwest part of the state likely are going to feel the impact as well. And that will be through the afternoon and evening hours. Right now, things pretty quiet out there. We'll stay cloudy to mostly cloudy, a few breaks in the clouds. A few flurries here and there is really about it. But as you look to the west, our system is finally crossing over the northern Rockies, coming through Montana and parts of Wyoming and Idaho right now. As it continues east-southeasterly, it is really going to cut right into southwest Minnesota. Looks as though we are going to have some snowfall to deal with closer to places like Willmar and the Twin Cities, but the heavier snowfall still expected. And again, we just saw with that advisory, southern Minnesota. So let's stop things 10 a.m. tomorrow. Still quite a bit of cloud cover. Snow starting to come into the southwest corner of the state, get to about the early to mid-afternoon time frame. It's already filled into the Minnesota River Valley, coming in around Mankato, and even up towards the Twin Cities. Around the metro here, we're probably going to have at least a little bit of flurry starting in, but then through the rest of the afternoon into the early evening hours, continuing around the Twin Cities. Notice not quite to St. Cloud necessarily, but still coming down heavy in some areas between Jackson and Rochester. Then by tomorrow, this time, things starting to wind down, exiting to the southeast and leaving us with a little bit of sunshine there expected for Sunday. Here's a look at what we're expecting, a 3 to 5 in that darker blue. Twin Cities, Willmar, Menominee, about 1 to 3 inches, and north of 94 it really drops off, but about 1 to 3 north to south around the Twin Cities metro area. Stepping outside tomorrow morning, wind chills, they vary a bit. You have some double digits below zero, double digits above zero for tomorrow. For that morning wind chill, there's a look at the rest of the day with those afternoon temperatures and the wind chills around our region. And when you check out Sunday, yes, it does get colder around here in that 7-day forecast. We have another system on the way. Tuesday into Wednesday, a little bit of rain may be possible in there with some warmer temperatures.